Hey folks, here we're gonna make some meatloaf. What I have about 2 pounds of ground beef, 80/20, and about a pound of sausage meat. So what I'm doing right now, I'm mixing it together so they're well blended before I put any spice. Put some gloves on so that you don't have to wash your hands because it's kind of pain in the butt with the fat. But so basically, that's what I'm doing, mixing it together, and before I put my ingredients in. And just keep in mind that the sausage meat is already seasoned, especially for the salt. So you don't add too much salt to the mix. Okay, once I have them mixed well blended, I am going to add a couple eggs. Here I have some fresh thyme from the yard. In here I have about a cup of black forest ham and a cup of Genoa salami. I diced them up, the salami. Here I'm putting 1.5 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, trying to get some good quality. This one is called My, and a little bit of salt and pepper, not much, but it's really not necessary. And mix it all together. Okay, here what I'm doing, I'm just placing the bacons in the pan, and you want good quality bacon, so I got the hickory smoked one, and that's before I pack my meatloaf in there. So basically, like so, grab a handful of a ground a mixture and pack it in there. Okay, don't be afraid to pack it, because it's gonna make a nice meatloaf at the end. There's enough for about two of those. Okay. Yeah, so then what you want to do, you want to fold your bacon back in, just like so. Yeah, this side won't really matter if it doesn't look that as good because we're gonna flip it over. You'll see it when I bring my pan in the next video. I mean, the next segment. Okay, just flip it over. You want to make sure you want to put some aluminum foil because there's a lot of fat that's going to come out of this thing. So make sure to put some aluminum foil. And that's what you get. We're going to put it in the oven. I'm doing another one here to show you because you didn't see it very well in the first one. So basically, that's all you want to do is put the strip of bacon on the in the pan, just like so. It helps if you put the bacon in the freezer, so it's easier to manipulate once it comes out of the freezers versus the fridge. Because this one is at room temperature, it's kind of difficult. I don't know if you could tell, but it's really soft. I put two in the extremities, so that way it it helps to cover what didn't cover in the first time. Okay, now I have both in the oven, and I got them at 385 for about, I'd say, 45 minutes. And it just came out now. And look how beautiful the inside is. If you see some red particle, it's the Black Forest ham and the Genoa salami. It's not the raw meat. I can guarantee you that. Bacon is well done. I could have stayed another 5 or 10 minutes, but this is much where you want it to be. There you have it.